I am actually gonna make Izzy's bandana, like a DIY bandana. I actually got this from Walmart yesterday, and believe it or not, look how big this really is. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because, like, you know, I have so many sayings, and I think I'm gonna stick with "Trouble never looked this cute." What I wrote down. I'm actually kind of hot today. It's really hot here, and I have like 10 markers I can doodle with. So let's get this out. This is for Izzy, okay? I know it's not like a big deal for most people, but we're gonna like decorate her bandana that I got her. Honestly, I should do this on the ground. I wonder if that would work on the ground. Let's see. Let's change things up. This is longer than I thought this would be because this is very long. This is almost like a blanket for like a... Oh, that's not a bad idea. Okay, the next time I go to Walmart or whenever that may be, I should make a reborn DIY blanket out of this. But this is for Izzy. So, yeah. The colors I chose for her theme colors is pink, purple, and blue. So let's see. We got purple, blue, and pink, and light blue, orange, green, yellow, red, kind of like a different green, I think, and black. So we got the colors that I needed. So I guess the first thing is to do her name in black and then color it in. I don't know how to do this very well, so I was thinking, since there's like a lot of squares, I'm trying to figure this out. It's not as easy. It may look easy for some people to figure stuff out like this, like, oh, they can do this with no problem. I was thinking put Izzy like somewhere around here and then go from there. Okay, so we're gonna test this out. I know this is probably, I should gotten a second one. So we're gonna write Izzy's name and bubble letter. I know you guys can't really see this very well. If that could just move. There we go. There. I'm doing this on the floor for the first time. And I know it doesn't look that good right now, but I'm doing this for Izzy. I'm putting her name on this because this is her bandana, and this is like a little, what do you call it? A DIY. I am gonna do this in like bubble letter. The Z's are not like the best right now in bubble letter. I could have put her whole name if I wanted to, but Izzy will fit perfectly on this only because it's only 4 letters. Her name is Isabella, but we call her Izzy for short. So we got Izzy. Okay, so I don't know where I should put the you know, the saying, trouble never looked this cute. So I was thinking maybe right here in the middle. But let's color her name in first. I'm going to do pink. And did I say purple? Yes. These colors, it kind of looks like nerd colors. So the first letter I have to color is pink. And I know it kind of looks funny at first, but I think whatever I do to this, Izzy will like it. I wanted to do this for forever, only just because, like, you know, this is gonna look very cool, and what do you call it? She's gonna like it. Like, she has so many pretties, but I never customized. Well, I never like did a little bandana for her, only just because I never thought this would exist. Because I was looking for something like this, and then boom, like, you know, of course this exists. This is like art related, so yeah, I know I'm not good at like bubble letters. I wish I had like something that can hold down the stuff, but you can tell this is a Z because look, Izzy, and her theme colors are pink and purple and blue. I added like blue for something else. Oh, I should wrote her whole name. Okay, so we are done with the name part, which is good. Now we're gonna put trouble never looked this cute. So trouble never looked. Oh my goodness, this is kind of hard because you have to really think. Let's see. Okay, so let's move this paper like this. Good thing I have it on the floor. So it's like a, what do you call it? Like, not like a guide, but something that is flat and easy to draw on. So, or we could just, Izzy, trouble never looked this cute. I could put trouble right there, but I want like a space. Okay, let's just do this with my eyes closed. Whatever square it lands on, I do. Okay, so let's do it. I hope this fits her. We're gonna do, here goes nothing. Trouble. It's hard to do this because I don't want to mess up. I only have like one shot of this to do. I'm not saying I'm good at this. This is my first time, you guys. Okay, good. I didn't mess up on trouble. I'm gonna get the paper right here because I need help. This is like a, like, what do you call it? Like something to help me. And it's really warm outside, so bear with me. I'm like all hot. Okay, never looked this cute. Never. I might have to bring the paper down because this is like a copy that helped me. This is just, what do you call it? I capitalized the N. Oops. That's okay. Oh yeah. This looks really good so far. But once you color it in, it'll look good. Let me get back to you on that. Well, actually, I can just look. This cute. This cute. Oh my gosh, I'm hot. Look, this. Now we gotta like put it down here a little bit more. This. See, look, it's kind of hard to draw on this. This. Cute. Okay. This might be the longest video I ever did. This. Cute. Okay, so we're gonna color some and then probably let you guys go so you guys kind of know the idea. And I'll take a picture when it's done. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.